everyone. Welcome back to our Beginner English podcast.
Hi, Emma. Hi, listeners. I hope you're having a great day.
Today's topic is something we all talk about every day, talking about the weather.
Yes, the weather is an easy and very common topic for beginners.
Exactly. You can use it to start a conversation, small talk, or chat with friends.
Before we start, Emma, how's the weather today?
Oh, it's sunny and warm, perfect for a walk. What about you, Leo?
It's a little cloudy here. I think it might rain later.
Listeners, how's the weather where you are? Say, it's sunny. It's rainy. It's cloudy. It's cold.
Great. Let's learn some simple weather words first. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, hot, cold, warm, cool, foggy.
Repeat after us. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, hot, cold, warm, cool, foggy.
Perfect. Now let's make simple sentences.
You can say, it is sunny today. It is rainy today. It is very cold today. It is warm and sunny.
Repeat after us. It is sunny today. It is rainy today. It is very cold today. It is warm and sunny.
Excellent. Now, how do you ask someone about the weather?
Very simple. You can say, how's the weather today? What's the weather like? Is it cold today?
Repeat after us. How is the weather today? What's the weather like? Is it cold today?
Great. Now let's do a short conversation.
Hi, Leo. How is the weather today?
Hi, Emma. It's sunny and warm. Perfect for a walk.
That sounds nice. Here it is, cloudy and cool.
Oh, really? Enjoy the sun while you can.
Thanks. Listeners, repeat the conversation with us.
Now let's learn some more phrases about temperature.
You can say, it's very hot today. It's freezing. It's cool outside. It's warm and sunny.
Repeat. It's very hot today. It's freezing. It's cool outside. It's warm and sunny.
Great! Another useful topic is talking about rain or snow.
Yes. You can say, it's raining. It's snowing. It will rain tomorrow. It might snow tonight.
Repeat after us. It's raining. It's snowing. It will rain tomorrow. It might snow tonight.
Excellent. Now, let's practice a conversation about tomorrow's weather.
Hi, Leo. Do you know the weather for tomorrow?
Yes, it will be sunny and warm, perfect for a picnic.
Great. I hope it stays sunny.
Me too.
Listeners, repeat the dialogue slowly with us.
Let's learn phrases about the wind.
You can say, it's very windy today. The wind is strong. There is a light breeze.
Repeat. It's very windy today. The wind is strong. There is a light breeze.
Another useful phrase is about the sky. The sky is clear. The sky is cloudy. The sky is gray.
Repeat. The sky is clear. The sky is cloudy. The sky is gray.
Perfect. Now let's do a full small talk conversation about the weather. Hi, Leo. How's the weather today?
Hi, Emma. It's a little cloudy and cool.
Oh, that's nice. Here it's sunny and warm.
That's great. Do you think it will rain tomorrow?
I think it might rain in the evening.
Okay. I hope it stays dry.
Me too.
Listeners, repeat the conversation with us slowly.
Let's review everything we learned today.
We learned basic weather words: sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, hot, cold, warm, cool, foggy. How to ask about the weather. How to describe today's weather. How to talk about tomorrow's weather. Small talk phrases about wind, sky, and temperature.
Very useful for daily English conversations.
Thank you for listening, everyone. Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.